How I rebuilt my life after losing everything, even hope. I lost the money, I lost the trust, and I nearly lost myself until I found this. I'm Holly. I'm a mom, grandmother, and a business mentor. There was a time I had absolutely nothing left. A partner embezzled tons from me. I was caring for my dying mom. I was scared, older, and broke after that embezzlement. I didn't think I'd come back from it. I really didn't. But I did. By finding a system that put the power back in my hands. Not a scam, not some get rich quick hype scheme, a real model that rewards everyday people. Only work a couple hours a day at my leisure and convenience, plug into a proven system that has 24/7 automation worldwide, which does all the heavy lifting for me. Awesome live training, no tech skills or experience needed. I had zero. It's business in a box, literally, pre-built, so no need to reinvent the wheel. Miss something? No problem. Just tune in one of the replays. It's all included. Tremendous training and community support. The best part, no team building, no cold calling or bothering anyone ever with having attraction marketing that you're taught. A community of over 54,000 like-minded members, all on the same journey, and we help each other. Now, I teach it to others since I'm a certified mentor, because if I can rebuild, anyone can. Trust me, that's a fact. If you feel like everything is slipping away, please don't give up yet. Comment info below or visit my site. This might be your turning point too. You can rise again. Go to Holly Pring Daily Pay and send me an email with any questions you have.